Welcome back, guys. So what we're actually doing today, as you can see, this is actually Paranagit Lake right here. Every year, NDOW actually throws an event. It's called the Carp Rodeo. It's over here at the, I think this is the lower Paranagit Lake, and it's actually a really cool event. This lake is full of carp. So what they're actually attempting to do is they get all these people out here, and they're actually, it's in an attempt to lower the carp population here. So everybody's gonna be catching carp, kids, adults alike, everybody's just out here to have a good time. They're gonna be cooking carp, showing you everything about the fish and everything there is to offer at this lake. But we're gonna go ahead and get to it, and it should be a great time.
All right, guys, so we're here with Abby. She works for NDOW, and she's gonna explain what's going on here today.
So we have our annual Carp Rodeo here at Paranagit National Wildlife Refuge. Jessica from the events gets it all set up with her volunteers, some activities for the kids, and we're trying to take out as many carp as we can from the waters. There's a contest. Some of the kids get to, and adults, get to win prizes for the first fish at 9 o'clock when we blow the whistle, and then they also get prizes for the longest fish and the biggest fish. And it's carp, so they'll pretty much take anything. So we have some of our bait out here that we brought and worked on last night and cured for the carp to entice them. And we have loaner rods. We have 200. We try to do events with the city and Clark County as well. We loaned out about 30 today on top of the poles that people already brought out themselves.
Awesome. Yeah, I saw a guy catch one earlier with one, so he appreciated that. All right, thank you. I'm gonna go look around. Ready to go catch some carp?
Oh yeah. There's a lot of people this year, huh?
Yeah, this place is packed. So
The event just keeps growing bigger and bigger. That's where everybody's at.
let's go see if we can find a spot. Just had one, he got away. Oh.
That's the story. That's always the story. Oh, yeah. He got away.
Nice to meet you.
You seen Sin City Outdoors before?
Yeah, I'm subscribed.
We appreciate that. You just lost one. I saw you had a big one.
Yeah.
He busted you off?
Yeah.
Oh man.
I got it.
We'll get him.
Yeah.
So what I'm using, I got a couple pieces of corn here. Couple pieces of corn, and I just tied on a little string to a bead here, because this bead's gonna float up a little bit hopefully, or just catch our eye a little more in this dirty water. But we're gonna chum out a little bit too, and I've used this rig before and it's worked a lot, especially when it comes to carp. But a lot of times you don't even need the corn, just this little bead. If you chum all around the bead, they'll eat the bead thinking that it's corn, obviously. So we're just gonna see what works, test around a couple different things, throw out some chum, and hopefully catch some carp. One year I was catching them 3 feet off the edge.
So we're gonna have to chum pretty good. Oh, we got a hookup. Another hookup. That's like the third one I've seen.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Any luck, Chewy?
Nope, not yet.
All right, when you get the stringer, I'm gonna come film you. So those of you who watched the Carp Rodeo last year, you know Chewy. We see him here every year, plus he's one of our hunting buddies.
Hey,
how you been? Another Sin City Outdoors.
Yeah, I just watched your videos on the Carp Rodeo yesterday.
Oh, did you? Did you get any tips on how to catch them?
Yeah, the corn, so I bought some yesterday.
Awesome. Somebody pulling down hard. A fight of a lifetime.
Oh, that's a catfish, right? No.
Oh, that's a nice one.
What is that?
I think Adrian hooked up. You got one?
Yeah, this is your rod though, here.
That's all right, reel it. You got a 2-rod license?
What? Yeah, 2-rod.
Wow, you flipped them? You're crazy.
It's 20-pound fish.
So that's what we're after right there, guys.
Little carp.
Little carp. There's one.
Riley, look. This one over here. Riley, come here, come here, come here.
Oh, it's a big one.
Got him!
Nice
High
one.
five! Good job, baby. Must have been the beam.
You're on? Don't flip them. Well, we got 8-pound tests on that. Oh man, he came off.
Big fan of Sin City Outdoors.
Mason, you're a fan of Sin City Outdoors?
Yeah, big fan.
Awesome. Right, so Mason's gonna explain what he has here.
So these are boilies. All I used was shredded wheat, strawberry jello, cream of corn, and just kind of mixed it all together until it got into a nice dough consistency. You also want to put flour in it that has a lot of gluten, and after you get it to really nice firm dough consistency, you'll want to roll them up into little balls just like this and just boil them for about 3 to 5 minutes. And if you want them to float, you can microwave them for about 30 seconds and they make good bait.
He came off? Oh, we had...
Yeah. That or it's really small. I think it's off though. It's
came
off.
off.
It's gotta be off. It's still there.
He's still on, he's still on. He was swimming towards you.
Great.
Off the borrowed poles. Those of you that want to come out, they lend out poles.
Awesome.
Nice. What was your name again?
Mason?
Mason?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice one.
We got one for Sin City Outdoors right there.
Oh yeah.
They showed us the way.
Yeah, we appreciate that. You gonna take your pole?
You got him.
Did you set? Adrian's afraid to set the hook because he has 8-pound tests on our bass pole.
These things kind of hard.
Can he land it? It's gonna be a hard one. Can he land it? He's gone. Nope, we got him. That's 2.
Oh yeah, we
Nice,
have your stringer.
nice. So these guys out here take it serious. Got some serious gear and secret baits. You guys are from Bulgaria?
Yes, from Bulgaria.
Alright, he got one on the monster pole. So this is how he reels in. Brings it back. There's a roller. Breaks in half. And he just pulls it in. Oh, it has a string on it. And he just pulls the string. It's a hand fishing thing.
You see first time, right? This type of fish.
Yeah, this first time. He has a long net, and there it is. And don't forget, he's hovering over the rocks. Literally hovering. Look at that. His little stand. This is crazy. Good job, Nikolai. He caught 30 something. And this is his homemade bobber right here. He's going to show us how to rig up for carp. Yeah, so they actually fish using bobbers for carp.
Two stoppers.
Okay. So his buddies here are using the same type of setup. See, so they have the bobber. He just caught one. They have the bobber, and that's about 10 feet a leader. And he caught a bass. He just caught a 2.5 pound bass off of corn. Wow. So this is some of the rigs he has. He has them pre-set up. It's like a tackle box. He has everything needed. This is carp fishing on a whole different level. This is a bank fisherman's dream right here. Very nice. All right, thank you. Thank you for showing us. We're set up. We're gonna go make a carp video one of these days. Catch and cook.
Look at this. I mean, that's that's his manufacturer. That's his.
So he's creating this.
He's creating this. Balls. This is carbon kill. This section it's also carbon. He make himself
By hand.
handmade. See, this is my waggler for carp fishing from Drennan. English company. but his is better.
Okay.
They're better.
Look at these bobbers. He's creating them himself in his garage. Look at this. The quality is amazing. It's all by hand. That's carp fishing, like I said, another level.
It's big fish, no problem.
Trout and everything?
Yeah.
Look at that bobber. He's set in the water and it just... Wow. It's so balanced. Appreciate you guys. Here's another guy. Look at this guy. Carp Rodeo is over. Look at this guy's catch. Some serious fishermen out here, guys. But don't be afraid to come out. Still a good time. Free food, free everything. You might not win, but it's a great time.
Kind of wet. Yeah.
I got you.
It's a nice one.
Yeah.
I just carry it around, thick blade, and
Oh yeah.
Jeremy, you still don't have a Sin City Outdoors hat? What's wrong with you? How you been?
Pretty good.
that's a good one.
That's a good fish. Here you go, Jeremy.
How many do you
That's a
have?
ticket for you.
You didn't need to catch a fish to get a ticket.
No.
Alright, so everybody turning their carp now? Now the good thing about the Carp Rodeo is they got food for everybody, so now we're gonna go. We got food and drinks. Food and drinks.
Turn around, Dante. We'll be right over
Yeah, just send me a message on Instagram, I'll shoot you a follow.
Yeah, so Mason here gave us this, said this is gonna work great for boils. Yeah.
Yes.
Hey Mason, we appreciate that.
Yeah, no problem.
We're gonna use it, we'll fish some boils with it.
Try it out.
Alright guys, so we've been out here. This event's awesome for the kids, awesome for older people, people who enjoy carp. Hundreds of carp were caught today, so it helps maintain this lake. There's some endangered species in this lake, so they're trying to prevent, you know, the carp from killing off everything. But we had a great time out here. We talked to a bunch of people, met a bunch of people. We told people we were going to be out here, so it was probably 20, 30 people that we recognize that are subscribed to the channel, so we appreciate that. You out of here, John?
Yeah, take care.
All right, we'll see you guys later.
Right now.
Yeah, so we've seen a lot of people, a lot of friends here. The people that work for Endow have been awesome. Everybody, you got to meet some game wardens, a bunch of game wardens, ask questions, got to talk to them. It's over, and we are going to... All right, thanks. You guys will see on Facebook. All right.
I'll give a contact you guys.
All right, it was nice
It's nice
meeting
to
you.
meet you as well.
All right, so like I said, a lot of fans, a lot of food, a lot of everything. Bring the kids out next year, happens once a year. All right, so we're gonna go say bye to some people that work for Endow that we know, and that's pretty much it. Anything else? We're not that into fishing for carp. We haven't figured it out.
We just mainly go for the social side of it. We like coming out here, meeting everybody, talking to people, so we focus more on talking to people. That's where you get your fun side of it.
Yeah, I don't even think I casted once. But other than that, thanks for watching. We appreciate it. What else?
Like,
subscribe,
share.
tell your friends, everything. We're posting a lot of videos.
Lots to come.
Yeah, plenty to come.
We just put in for tags, so we plan on drawing a couple tags. I've still got an over-counter Arizona tag. Bass fishing's still good. Everything's good right now. So we also got some air rifles. We're gonna do some rabbit hunting soon, and lot to come. Lot to come.
Lot to come. But all right, thanks for watching, and
I'll see you outdoors.
see you outdoors.